Welcome to my channel. Wavlink AC1200 Dual Band Range Extender Setup. There is two ways to set up Wavlink AC1200 using the WPS button or login mode from the web interface. The configuration manual is the same for an indoor Wi-Fi range extender as well as an outdoor Wi-Fi range extender to repeater wireless signal range. Follow simple steps to set up Wavlink AC1200 as a signal booster using WPS and web interface. Set up Wavlink AC1200 range extender using WPS button. Plug the Wavlink extender device to power socket near internet router to get proper signal strength. Wait a few seconds until the extender device properly boots up. Press the WPS button on the AC1200 range extender for 6 seconds. Go to the router and press the WPS button on the Wi-Fi router for 3 seconds within 2 minutes of pressing the extender button. Monitor the extender LED light, and once the signal LED glows, check mobile Wi-Fi. You will get a new SSID with repeater_ext and connect and check the internet. After successful configuration, find an optimal location for the range extender where you can cover the maximum area, and also the extender can get at least 50% signal range from the host Wi-Fi router. Wavlink AC1200 setup using web interface method. Step 1. Plug and power it. Install the extender in a wall outlet with strong Wi-Fi. Wait until the LEDs remain blue or green and stop flickering. Step 2. Link to the extender. To connect to the new wireless network name that is somewhat similar to Wavlink 4X, go to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or computer. Step 3. Visit Setup portal. Once your device is successfully connected, and enter ap.setup into the browser. This brings up the configuration dashboard for the Wavlink AC1200. Step 4. Select Repeater Mode. The setup screen will provide you a few options. Choose repeater to make your current Wi-Fi network stronger. Step 5. Choose the network at home. It will look for Wi-Fi networks that are close by. Choose your home network from the list, and then type in your Wi-Fi password when asked. Step 6. Make a longer name for the network. You may maintain the same name for your network or tweak it a little to make it easier to identify them apart, like home Wi-Fi_ext. To complete, click Apply or Next. Step 7. Get back on your new network. Return to Wi-Fi settings and connect to your new network when it resumes. For instant help, call 1-800-915-5645.